The Ministry of Labour and Social Security has intervened in the labor dispute at the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS. A meeting is scheduled for tomorrow to discuss the issue relating to some 30 employees. TVJ News understands that on Saturday, the National Workers Union served a 72-hour strike notice on the Jamaica Public Service, JPS. This is on behalf of 30 disgruntled employees. The union argued that despite promises by the energy company's management, an agreement relating to the engagement of 30 employees is yet to come into effect. In response, Labour and Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says the government is prepared to prevent any escalation of the dispute. Mr. Charles says technocrats from the ministry will meet Monday to discuss the way forward regarding a settlement of the dispute. According to the NWU, JPS had agreed to convert the terms of 30 employees from contract workers to permanent staff beginning March 1. But the union says today there has been no movement on the proposed agreement. Meanwhile, the energy company Jamaica Public Service has confirmed Monday's meeting to address the issues raised by the NWU. JPS officials say the meeting is to try to resolve the disagreement swiftly and amicably. The Light and Power Company is also seeking to assure customers that it has a plan in place to minimize any potential impact on service delivery should employees represented by the NWU proceed with strike action. As rainfall